okay?
More or less. Take her.
Sure. Cher. Cher! Cher!
You, unclean creature, you were not permitted to enter this land. You can go no further. I will not allow it.
Let's go back. Come on.
You cannot hurt me. I no longer feel pain. Jagara's poison was strong. Her venom is slowly eating me alive. Foolish creature. Your kind began as wolves, but you turned into humans and were driven from paradise. And now, you cannot return to your original form.
Hige, is that you? Hige.
Yeah, I'm here.
Everything's so blurry. Will you stay with me?
Don't worry, Blue. I'm not going anywhere. I promised, remember? I'll never leave you.
That feels so nice.
Hige!
Hey, you finally made it. Jezza was taken by that freak. Kiba went after him.
Don't try to talk!
I need you to do me a favor. I want you to do it with your own fang. Tsume. Let's meet again. Next time. In paradise.
I'm a little tired, that's all. Go after him!
Tsume?
He's dead. Hige asked me to put him down. I don't feel like moving around anymore. I knew it all along. Somewhere deep down, I knew. That's why I lived the way I did. When I met you, it was so obvious. I would never be the one to open paradise. Just go.
Hang in there.
He has to be stopped.
Grab on.
Get the hell out of here! Let's meet again. Next time. In paradise.
This is it. The entrance to paradise. Jezza, where are you? Don't try to move.
Kiba, the ice is spreading fast now. The world will freeze over. Soon, this one will disappear. This one is a forged Hanabito. This is not this one's true form.
Your true form?
Now this one can become
Jezza.
the world. Will close up for a while, and we will be apart from one another.
What should I do? I don't have anything left to protect.
We would not have met had the flowers not protected you. Kiba, because you protected this one, the flowers will return and bloom once more. So when the world is reborn, when paradise opens, we will meet again. This one will be waiting for you. Find this one. And next time, the paradise you hoped for will be...
Jezza! They say there's no such place as paradise. Even if you search to the ends of the earth, there's nothing there. No matter how far you walk, it's always the same road. It just goes on and on. But in spite of that, why am I so driven to find it?